Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back. Today's video is entry number 4 into my Welcome Back to Happymail challenge giveaway. I did take it out of the envelope already because the addresses were on the front and the back. It came in a bubble mailer, and this is from Shorty Custom Creations on YouTube and Instagram. So let's start with the card. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, you know, I'm not so into like bows and bow dies, but I am very into holographic, and just that pink on top, that is really beautiful. I love it. I could probably maybe pop that off and use it on something. So she says, hello, crafty friend. I am new to your channel. I like to support my crafty friends. I hope you like and enjoy what I made for you. Be blessed, crafty friend Iris from Shorty Custom Creations. All right, thank you, Iris, so much for entering, and welcome. I hope you like what you see and pop by every now and then. All right, so this is straight out of the bag. So it looks like we have here one of these clips and some tulle to seal the package. Super cute. I have a whole case of these little clips, and I never know what they are called. I did hear somebody call them something one time. Okay, so in here we have a sequence mix. You can see that, how pretty. Oh, I love the yellow flowers there. And the blue, oh, and these little itty bitty beads. Oh my God, this is a beautiful mix. And then there is just a little heart charm on there that says, thank you. No, thank you, Iris. All right, let's go ahead and open this. Is this a bow? It is, so we're just gonna take this off. Well, now it's a knot, so we'll just take that off nicely. And let's go here. I'm trying to stay on this square because I know then I am in camera. So let's just open up the pretty pink paper. Oh, look. Oh my goodness, what is this? Okay. So let's take a look, guys. So what was it? It was a Memdex and a small embellishment box was what you needed to send to be entered. So here it looks like she sent along some extras. Again, oh, with a bag topper. That's really cute. That's really cute. And the inside is a tag. And this tag, oh, okay, wait, what do we got here? Oh, okay, so it was a Memdex or an ATC, and I think this is what she chose to do. I'm thinking for her ATC. That is, and it is. Okay, so this is an ATC card. Super cute. Look at like the rustic clockwork and all of that. And then she made a little envelope to put it in. Oh, how cute. And then on the back, she does have some information. She has washi tape over her address. So... okay, so she is Shorty Custom Creations, and on Instagram, she is the number 2 Shorty Custom Creations. She has her favorite color as pink, mint, gold, and purple, and she loves all things craft. Girl, her birthday is June 17th, and this is Iris. Iris, thank you so much for this. I love it. Iris is from Alabama. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this. Is something, oh, this looks like a little extra. We'll look at that after this. So, oh, and this, aw, so sweet. Thank you so much. All right, let's go ahead and open this tulle. All right, first of all, we have to talk about this tulle because it's white, but did you stamp flowers on it? Like with an ink? That's really cute. You know what? I've never seen it, and I've never even thought to do it, to stamp on the tulle. But I think that is what she did. Okay, so let's see what's here in this little pot. She made a book to hold the embellishment box. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, so we just have some cut aparts in here. Love them. Here's some more. Hello there. Great. Okay, thank you so much, Iris. And this is her. All right, let's get this a little bit closer to the camera. We will be zooming in, so I don't want to. Okay, so on the side here, she has this really gorgeous pink sparkly bead that looks like is bead wrapped with another glass bead here and just attached to the embellishment box. This is actually the second embellishment box I received like this, and I'm thinking, I've heard, rumor has it, they came from Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead. This is attached to the book. So we're going to go ahead and open up the case, and it's 9 separate compartments. So that is really, really cute. So here she sent a set of the clips that we're using everywhere, which is, I'm glad to see that, because I was like, how am I going to use these? Now I know. All right, we have another one here of these, oh, these pretty flowers. Let's see, this is super easy to get open. So these are just flat backs. Oh my gosh, I love them. Love them, love them. Really pretty in pastel colors there. Oh, I cannot wait to start using these things. Okay, this one here. Oh, let's go ahead and, okay, so here we got some flat backs, just a little variety. Oh, the ballet shoes. Is that bananas? Pink bananas? Or coral, if we hold it that way. Okay, now in jar number 4, we have a whole assortment of clay beads. Love that. Or hishi, clay beads, hishi beads. This one here, this looks like some clear, oh, these are bows. Oh, look how pretty. And these are, oh, and that's a bear. Oh, that's an iridescent bow. Are these, so it looks like these are beads. Yep, they do have a bead hole in them, all of them. Super pretty. Love that. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, where's my lid? What, really? I can't, oh, there it is. All right, what do we have here? Some pastel candy beads in different pastel colors. See, with the candy wrapping and then like clear around them, like the wrapper. Oh, now we have some charms coming up. Here are, oh, a nice variety. Let's get all these out here. Oh, wow, look at all these. Oh, these are so pretty. It's such a wide variety of charms here. We have bows in a pink, purple, where's that? That's a fish. We have a goldfish, a goldfish, a purple bow. Oh, the cross, nice. Oh, I love this. What is this one? A white, almost like an opal white bow. Butterfly. Oh, what is, and that looks like a firefly in red. Oh, super pretty. Wow, they are all amazing. Okay, and this one here looks like we have some bees, which is great because I do have a whole collection. Oh, honeycomb with the bees. Oh, I am loving that. I do have some different bead charms, not like this. Look at this one, has little diamonds in the wings. But I do not have honeycombs. Lovely. I love, like I've said before, and I think I've said with each reveal of these entries, is just the different things that we all get. And I know we're probably, a lot of us are probably getting them all from the same place, but we're getting like such different types. So here again, just some more charms. Now these look like, these are like dangle charms, I guess, because they have the eyelets, I always forget what they're called too. Maybe they're called eyelets. No, eyelets, the hole. Yeah, we'll remember. But so they all kind of would dangle. Oh, look at this little turtle. He's so cute. Oh my God, the sun. A little Faith looks like a surfboard, but actually it has the hole on either side, so we can put that nicely on a bracelet. Wow, what a great embellishment box. Iris, thank you so much. Again, with the flowers on the tulle, which match the inside. So lovely, so lovely. All right, and she did send an extra face mask, Stitch. Love it, Disney. I like to put those on, like, you know, when we're in bed watching TV. And yes, I do sometimes share them with my husband if he's willing to put one on. All right, let's look at this. First of all, we have this really pretty box. It's a clear plastic box with some bows. It looks almost like a pencil case. And in here, oh, it's a pokey tool. Oh, it's a nice shred, pink and white shred. And then all the pastels with this pretty flower on top, all rubbery beads. And yes, pokey tool with the protector on the bottom. So pretty with some gold rhinestone spacers. So nice. Iris, thank you so much for all of this. Your entry is amazing. Guys, please go ahead. I'm going to tag her down below. So go ahead and follow her on YouTube and Instagram if you aren't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.